Grab your hard hats. We're back again with another floor plan. This is going to be the Chandler on a basement in the Brighton Springs community offered by Meritage Homes. My name is Christina Kay. I'm a licensed real estate broker with Johnson Group Partners in South Carolina, serving both North and South Carolina. Let's take a peek around this floor plan to see what it has to offer. As you can see, it is on a basement. As we head down the foyer, to your left, you'll find not only the entrance from the two-car garage, but the laundry room. Here is the kitchen that overlooks the great room and the dining space. On this level, you will find not only two of the secondary bedrooms, but the owner's suite, equipped with a dual vanity and a stand-up shower and a large walk-in closet. This home does not have electricity because it's still under construction. So there's so many things to finish to bring this home to life. As we head back down the hallway, we'll head to the basement prior to seeing the two secondary rooms. If I haven't mentioned already, you are welcome to click the links in my bio to learn about my up to 1% rebate for my standard representation package. If you would like more information, again, just click the links in my bio. On this lower level, or the basement level, you'll find additional storage rooms, a full bathroom with a shower tub combo, along with a full bedroom. This is perfect for guests or maybe to be used as an in-law suite if you're interested in that, but this is a really awesome use of basement space. Heading back upstairs, we'll go to our left and we'll see two additional bedrooms that share a full bathroom with a shower tub combo. If you'd like to take a private tour of this home, please be sure to click the links in my bio. Happy house hunting!